Hello and welcome back to Total Crypto for another video. And in today's video, we're going to be diving into Ape Coin so we can see exactly what's happening within Ape Coin and their ecosystem and how we can look to trade to make maximum profit from the charts and to see some serious gains. Now, if you find that interesting, then you should definitely stick to the video. 3, 2, 1. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Right, okay, so firstly we're going to be using the data source from Bitflix, and as you can notice we haven't got much more data from here, so we can't see anywhere near its all-time high or even prices that were above $10. But in this video we're going to be exactly checking out where we are heading and how soon can we reach at least to the target of $6.50. But first we have to break some key areas before we can even do that at all. So firstly, as we can see on the weekly chart, that we've been going sideways here for a little while. In fact, since we've broken down to the new lows over here, or the retest of the old lows here, we've actually bounced back off from that area to hit into our resistance line there before we start heading our way back down, possibly to re-hit the support line over there, or even quite possibly we could just remain in this area or this zone here. Reason why, because as soon as we've broken up above this, hang on a second, as soon as we've broken up from this area over here, right from the bottom of the support line, we then went up to retest the resistance. We then pulled back, but we didn't make a full pullback. We literally just cleared this area here. So that means that's technically the new support line being created there, and it's reacted quite nicely from there. So that means we should really be expecting to fill all this red area over here before we actually head away back up and hopefully break this green resistance line. And we should be expecting something like this, where we go up, break through the resistance line. How higher can we break through the resistance? It really depends on the market's reaction. Then it should be pulling back into the zone, something like that, before we do something like this. And then once this does happen, this move over here, then we should be expecting to at least hit or clear this zone there. And once we hit and clear that area there, I'll bring up the horizontal line so you can see exactly what I'm talking about, as I'm just demonstrating what I believe could happen once we do hit or react in this second line there. I'll change the color. Let's change the color to yellow, so that way you can follow with me. Alright, so quick little recap. This area now is new support. We should be expecting to clear all the red candlesticks over here with the expectation of breaking through the green line. We should be heading away up, come back down to retest this green line. That's going to turn into support, and if we do bounce out from here, that means it should be a stronger case for us to be able to get back, so get to our target for the yellow line, which will then become our new resistance. And only if we do clear this line, we should be expecting at least a $3.29 for Ape. But this area here is really important for us, because only once we do get into the zone, then it shouldn't take that long for us to get at least back up to $6.25. Now, it's always best to look at the chart from a larger time frame to give you more of a clear picture where we're heading, and give you like a more of a better win ratio for your trades, because it gives you an overall directional bias in a sense of where the chart is heading. The shorter time frame is too volatile. It will do so much movement to the point where it's kind of hard to be able to get at least 50-50 win rate, unless if you're a scalper. Otherwise, if you prefer like holding trades for several days or even weeks, weekly charts are the best for that. Obviously keep an eye on the charts, so make sure that you don't get stopped out. And make sure if you are doing a leverage, please control your risk management by doing a low level, unless if you are a experienced trader, then you can do as you wish. But this is my what I'm looking for, depending how we react in certain areas. And these areas are where I've marked out the lines. So the red is our current support line. We should be able to break up and away from it and hit into our green line, which is our resistance. Once we do clear that, then it's always worth holding a trade there, depending where you'd like to enter a trade. For me, I would say I'd enter anywhere here now, because it looks like we've actually formed quite a few green candles, and each of them are getting bigger. So that means I should be with expectations of us at least going from our current price of $1.43 all the way to $1.70, and that'll give us, oops, 1 second. That would easily give us at least 19-20% of trade. However, if we do hold the trade from here, from the current price of $1.43, and once we do break up above the green resistance, turning to eventual support, up to the yellow, which will be our new resistance, that is 64% there. And then once we do eventually break that line and we get into our $3.52 area, or even $3.33, that's already 131% move to the upside. And then eventually, if you hold on to it long enough like a boss, then we should be expecting at least 332% move back up to $6.24. Now, I hope you find this useful and informative. If you like this video and this sort of content, can you please give me a like, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you'll be updated with all of my latest videos. And also, if you'd like to subscribe to my channel, just subscribe right here. And then also you can go to my next channel right over here, so you'll be informed of all the other latest trades within the crypto space. Until then, I'll see you all in the next one. Cheers, bye.